Action.
Hi, John Barber here at Military Sales and Service Headquarters. We're going to make some slime. I know some of you guys have some slime events coming up soon, so let's go ahead and show you what we've got. This is all Elmer's product, part of the Newell Writing brand. I've got some glow-in-the-dark blue glitter that we're going to use, as well as some Elmer's magical liquid. You see a big bowl, or if you want to, you can use a smaller bowl, and then some sort of spoon to mix it all up with. So let's go ahead and get started. Basically, we're going to take one full container of glue, dump it. Once you've got that in there, then you use the magical liquid, unless you plan on using a contact solution or in baking soda. And you can get about 4 batches out of each one of these bottles. So it's a 1/4 cup. I'm just going to kind of use the little batch thing on the side here. Pour a little bit in here, maybe a little bit more. There, just a tiny bit more. Okay, I've got one batch according to the lines on the side, and now from here we just so, yeah, oh, nice and slimy. Just mix it all together here. Takes several minutes, just mixing stuff together, all pulled up, get all the glue. We'll have to go through and maybe even turn off the lights and let you see how this stuff. Stuff with this. Let's see what happens when we turn the lights out. Oh yeah. So now you can see we've got some glow in the dark. That's kind of cool. We'll see how this looks. It might not be great, but you can kind of see. Is it showing up at all?
It's showing up.
Yeah. So you got the glow in the dark there. A little bit of glow in the dark here in the spoon. And also the glow in the dark. This is special glitter. I'm not sure if all the stores will get the glow in the dark glitter, but we've definitely got it here. So I can put the lights back on if you can pretty quickly. So in essence, that is all it takes to make we'll go ahead and back out a little bit. That's all it takes to make Elmer's slime. You can use any number. You can use the regular white glue. You can use also the glitter glue, the glow-in-the-dark glue. And if you want to use a contact solution baking soda, that's fine. We'll have some tear pads with that, with those instructions. Or what we also recommend is the Elmer's magical liquid. It makes it super easy. Just glue in this stuff. You can make 4 batches per each of these bottles. And voila, your kids have great texture to play with. At home when they're on spring break or summer break, or just, anytime you're trying to give them something fun to do that gets them distracted and not looking at their iPads, right? So that's it from me. Enjoy. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks.